Hey guys, it's Mark with Blehm Tool. Hey, I just want to show you a new tool, the Daniel Gromm balloon tips. So what makes these tools so unique is our proprietary forging process. Forging tools just gives a strength that is just unmatched in any other way. The balloon tip on these tools just gives a softer push than your traditional weld tail. You can side load, front load these tools, and just get consistent soft push. These tools come in a 6-inch, 16, 24, and a 32-inch length. The 24-inch and 32-inch length tools have a heat-treated flat section on the end. The round stock section from the handle to the tip is annealed steel, which means it's super bendable. You can bend these in an S-hook configuration for doors. There's just lots of different scenarios where these tools really shine. This set you can buy at pdrtoolstore.com. They are $3.99 a set, and they will be available individually as well. Thanks, Chris, for letting me jump on their channel. Follow us on Instagram at Blehm PDR Tools.